Hi guys, for making this DIY canvas we will require a cardboard sheet. Just cut it out in your required shape as I did. And the main thing we will require is buckram. This is called buckram. This is easily available at cloth stores, and let me show you. It just exactly look like canvas sheet and you can use it for making canvas. It just costs you around 10 to 12 rupees per meter. Now we'll start sticking buckram to the sheet. Ensure that you use a lot of glue to stick the cloth to the canvas board. For extra finishing, I just added white sheet at the back. And the canvas board is ready. Just looks similar to the one bought from the market. And now let's just paint it and show it to you. I used acrylic colors here. You can even use watercolor on this canvas. See how perfect this canvas is. Even if I use a lot of water, the color looks so finished. So I hope the video was helpful to you. Now you can easily make handmade canvas at your home. If you like the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.